It's Marizu, back again within a week. On Sunday, I put up a video about how to create video rate white noise from the LZX Stairs module and a 1 1/4 volt fixed voltage. Since then, there's been some chat on the Discord and a user called Sean figured out how to patch white noise using the older StairCASE module along with another wave folding module. I tried to reproduce Sean's patch and realised that I simply don't own the other module that was used, but following the general direction I managed to simplify the patch down to just StairCASE and a 1 1/4 volt fixed voltage. I hadn't realised this was a possibility before. As with the stairs based white noise patch, add a keyer to taste. Sean doesn't currently have the bandwidth to make a video about this, so I'm going to put this one up. Thanks for the chats and encouragement. The context and background to this is basically the same as the previous stairs white noise video, so it might be worth taking a look at that if anything here isn't making sense. As with the stairs version, this patch relies on undocumented behaviour of the StairCASE module, so your mileage may vary. I'll get straight into the basic version of the patch itself. So firstly, switch all of the harmonic switches to the up position, that's these. Turn the frequency to just a nudge past 12 o'clock. And set the frequency CV attenuverter to 12 o'clock. Set the phase to just past 3 o'clock and the phase CV to somewhere about 1 o'clock. The fine tune for the phase attenuverter is set to maximum, so that's that, turned as far to the right as it can be. Both of the attenuverter switches are set to their DC setting, so these two switches are downwards. The 1 1/4 volt static voltage is plugged into the source input. So that's coming out of here and into the source. The divide by 4 output is patched back into the frequency CV input, and the final noise output is taken out of the divide by 1 output. As last time, I'm taking the noise output into the Martin Devices soft key keyer to control the noise texture and also to put the video feed of my face into the noise. A Cadet hard key module or FKG3 will do a great job for this too. I demonstrated the relative aesthetics in a previous stairs video. I don't have keychain, but I'm sure that would be fine too as a hard keyer. I'll just take the camera out so that we can see the type of noise character that is generated when filtered by the keyer. Changing the switches and other settings on StairCASE does change the character of noise, as does moving the knobs a bit. So now I'm comparing the white noise generated by stairs to the white noise generated by StairCASE. I'm not going to show the patch that I've used for this and to composite it because it's quite busy and a bit confusing. The important thing to know is that stairs noise is on the left hand side of the screen. So that's now gone black. And that StairCASE noise is on the right hand side of the screen. That's the StairCASE noise. In this comparison, I've tried to make the two noise sources look a similar density to each other. I hadn't mentioned that I was working in standard definition PAL in my previous video. I appreciate a lot of people prefer to work in HD. I can easily switch this patch to 1080 I50. There you go, analog white noise at 1080 I50. I'm not sure whether the differences will be clearly visible on YouTube due to the challenges in compressing white noise, but here you go. The camera footage of me is still coming in PAL, so you're not going to see extra sharpness there. That's really all I wanted to cover today. Cheers.